Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. I am Shruti and I create content on fashion, travel, lifestyle and beauty. If you are new here, please take a moment to hit the subscribe button. And without any further ado, let's get started right into the video. For today's video, we'll talk about my morning skincare routine. What do I use? What is my skin type? What should you use? How you can build up a morning skincare routine. So let's start with that. Talking about my skin, I have a normal to dry skin type. So I do not have any major skin concern apart from the fact that कि यहाँ पे थोड़े open pores है and I do have a bit of hyperpigmentation here. But apart from that, touchwood, my skin is quite good. The basic rule of skincare is thinner to thicker. It means the thinnest of the product. For example, toner or serum. This goes first. And the thickest of the product, for example your moisturizer, your SPF and your oils, these go at the end. First is cleanser. You should first use a cleanser followed by a toner which is bit of watery consistency. Then serums. Whatever serum, whatever skin concern you are targeting, mind you, the serums are the only layer that targets your skin concern. For example, if you have open pores, you use niacinamide. If you have hyperpigmentation, you use vitamin C. If you have dry skin, you use hyaluronic acid. I would post a picture of my skin few years back, like one and a half years back, and I had a lot of acne all over my face. This is my current skincare routine and not my acne skincare routine. But if you want a video on my acne skincare and how I fixed it, let me know in the comment section. I'll definitely help you guys to achieve that. And without any more talking, let's get right into my skincare. Moving to the first step. The first step is definitely a cleanser. You should make sure you're using a very gentle cleanser which has a very mild fragrance. Do not go for a cleanser which is heavy on fragrance and also which strips off all the oil from your skin. So earlier I really used to like those cleansers जिससे एकदम चेहरा dry हो जाता था, but then I realized no, those are not good for your skin because they are basically taking all the essentials oil of your skin. I use these two cleansers. One is from Simple and the other one is of Cetaphil. These two are super gentle on the skin. I really love Simple. This is my third or fourth tube. I really love it, and these two are quite affordable. It's not something that is very expensive. So for today, let's use this Simple one. The consistency is so good. Give like 2 minutes of massage on your face when you are using the cleanser and also at your neck so that all the dirt and grime is now out. Let me quickly wash my face and come back. The next step ideally is a toner, but since I'm showing you how I do it, I'll go ahead and apply a face mask which I generally do once in a week, like on Sundays. So yeah, let's go ahead with a face mask. Multiple options that I use on an alternate week. One is this Mamaearth Upton face mask. It has turmeric, saffron and apricot oil. This is so good. And I really love using it like once in a week. Or I use this from Biotique. These are quite affordable ones. And this I use to remove my tan. And you can also use something like this, the sheet mask, but this I use mostly when I'm traveling because then मैं ये पूरे mask की डब्बी नहीं लेके जाती. But then this is also a very good option. Today I'll be using this Benefit Professional. It's from Benefit. I recently got it and I wanted to try this one. So let's try this. This comes in a little tub. It's such a cute packaging. Can you all see? So yeah, let's apply. So I do not do it like every day. I do once in a week. But I thought since I'm shooting this video, I should do a proper skincare video. It has this consistency, and let me apply on my face quickly. I really like to apply any face mask using my hand and not by brush because first these products are really expensive and I really do not want to like waste any bit of it. So yeah, hands. Let's wait for 30 minutes till this dry and I'll be back soon. So it's been like 30 minutes already, and you can see it's almost dried. A bit of hair is remaining, but I think that's fine. I'll go and wash it, and let's review this one. So yes, I have washed my face mask. Let's again pat it dry very gently. So again, this is a clay mask. I have mostly seen the clay mask strips oil out of me and it feels very dry, but for some reason my skin doesn't feel dry at all. So on that note, this is very good. This is slightly expensive. Benefit is not a drugstore product, so it's a bit expensive, but it's worth the money because I can see the calmness it has given. So basically the clay mask, जिसका आप एक ऑल्टरनेटिव मुल्तानी मिट्टी भी ले सकते हो, इट शुड गिव यू coolness inside, and this is what it is giving me. I can see my tan is also a bit removed. पहले थोड़ा ज़्यादा tan लग रहा था. I don't know if the camera is picking up. It might not pick up, but I can feel that, and it's looking so good. Stay tuned for the final review after I use it for a month or so, because this was my first time and first impression definitely looks quite good. Moving on to the next step, which is definitely a toner. I use this CeraVe toner. This is a drugstore toner, currently not available in India, but it's launching soon, which is a good news. And I use this Pixie glycolic acid toner. So glycolic acid is nothing but it's an exfoliating agent. So I basically not always likes to use a physical exfoliator, क्योंकि वो walnut scrub and that, I think it rubs your skin और उससे आपकी skin damage हो सकती है. So I do not prefer that, although there are really good physical exfoliators out there in the market like caffeine and all, but this Pixie glow tonic is very good. This is my second bottle, and you can see ये भी खत्म होने वाला है. It's still here only. It has 5% glycolic acid, and I think this is good enough for me. So how I like to use my toner is I like to put it in my hand, just apply all over my face, ears, neck, everywhere. Make sure, since it's glycolic acid, make sure it doesn't go inside your eyes, and if it goes, just make sure you wash it properly. The next step is definitely a serum. So talking about serum, in the daytime I usually use a vitamin C serum, mixing with hyaluronic acid at times, or maybe only vitamin C serum. I really like vitamin C serum because it removes dullness from your skin. It removes any hyperpigmentation. I have the hyperpigmentation problem. That's why I'm using vitamin C serum regularly. For that, I use this Drunk Elephant vitamin C serum. This is again a very good serum. This is a bit expensive serum. I got it from Sephora, and it's 15% L-ascorbic acid and ferulic acid. So whenever you are looking for a serum, vitamin C serum, you should look for L-ascorbic acid, because that is something that should be there. There are n number of options. I'll link a few of them in the description box below for you if you want to go ahead and buy a vitamin C serum, but make sure it has 10 to 15% L-ascorbic acid for it to be really effective. The second thing about vitamin C serum, since these are actives, I would highly suggest you that do not just go ahead and apply like 2-3 pumps. Since I am now used to this, I can apply 2 pumps because I have been using vitamin C serum regularly since few years. Not only this brand, but iske pehle I was using ordinary one. I'll highly suggest you कि सबसे पहले तो आप patch test कर लो, like apply it on your hand and see if you're getting sensitized or you're getting any rashes or something out of it. But even if you're not getting any problem in the patch test, make sure कि आप थोड़े amount से शुरू करें. Half pump maybe twice in a week, and then go ahead and use it like every day. I'll use like 1.5 pump, and मुझे बड़ा पसंद है कि मैं इसकी पूरी स्मूदी बना दूँ. So I have this hyaluronic acid serum from Estee Lauder. This ANR is so good. I really swear by it. ये ख़त्म भी हो चुका है. तो ड्रॉपर से तो निकलेगा नहीं, बट सिंस आई हैव टू यूज इट completely, let me put a drop. या और इसकी पूरी स्मूदी बना लो and apply it on your skin. Very gently press it. Do not forget your ears, your neck. So हाइलुरोनिक एसिड के साथ एक थिंग है जो आई हाईली रिक्वेस्ट यू कि आप वो गलती ना करें. इज हाइलुरोनिक एसिड इज नथिंग बट अ ह्यूमेक्टेंट. सो इट एब्जॉर्ब्स मॉइस्चर फ्रॉम सराउंडिंग एंड पुट इट ऑन योर फेस. तो मेक श्योर जब आप हाइलुरोनिक एसिड लगा रहे हो तो आपकी फेस थोड़ी डैम्प है, आपके फेस पे पानी है, बी इट ऑफ टोनर और एनीथिंग, सो दैट हाइलुरोनिक एसिड डजंट एब्जॉर्ब मॉइस्चर इनसाइड फ्रॉम योर स्किन एंड पुट इट ऊपर. जो भी एक्स्ट्रा बच जाए अप्लाई इट ऑन योर हैंड गाइज. दिस एरिया ये सबसे पहले एज करता है. डू नॉट फॉरगेट टू अप्लाई इट हियर. द नेक्स्ट स्टेप इज मॉइस्चराइजर. सो ऑनेस्टली माई फेवरेट मॉइस्चराइजर इज Kiehl's ultra facial cream. I really swear by it. This is bit expensive but it suits me like anything. And I have one more option. This is La Roche-Posay. Again, this is not very expensive. I really like it. The few alternatives I'll link in the description box below. Anything with ceramide is very good for your skin because ceramides are nothing but the building block of your skin. As you age, आपके skin से ceramides की level कम होते जाती है. And then you should put basically outside the cream, moisturizer, everything that has ceramides in it. Ceramides are really very good for your skin. So I really like this La Roche-Posay. I also used Raquel ka ceramide moisturizer. I'll link that in the description box below. It's so good. It's exact dupe of this. And also this has SPF 30. Since I'm at home today, I'll apply this. Vitamin C मैंने अभी अप्लाई किया and you should go ahead and apply SPF either with moisturizer or just a normal SPF in your morning routine after you apply vitamin C serum because vitamin C double effective होता है with SPF. So I'll apply like 2 pumps. I know 3 pumps basically apply करना चाहिए but since I'm at home today I think I'm good with 2 pumps. SPF are super important even if you are not stepping out of your home. अगर आप घर में भी हो तो भी एटलीस्ट 2 फिंगर SPF ज़रूर लगाए. मेक श्योर कि आपके पेरेंट्स, योर पार्टनर, योर हस्बैंड, योर ब्रदर, everyone is applying SPF. आई कांट स्ट्रेस दिस एनफ कि SPF कितना इंपॉर्टेंट है. आपके जितने भी फ्यूचर स्किन कंसर्न्स हैं ना, लाइक हाइपर पिगमेंटेशन, एजिंग, फाइन लाइंस, ये सब SPF से स्लो डाउन हो सकता है. ऑब्वियसली योर स्किन विल एज ओवर द टाइम बट एटलीस्ट इट वोंट एज प्रीमेच्योरली. सो मेक श्योर you and your family, everyone is applying SPF regularly. So the cleansing done, I have done an extra step, that is I have used a face mask. After that हमने toner use किया, then we used serums, then I used moisturizer. Either you can use moisturizer with SPF or you can use SPF separately. Again, one more thing about sunscreen is you should always top up your sunscreen every 2 to 3 hours. Now I understand कि आपने मेकअप कर रखा है and how would you then top up, क्योंकि आप मेकअप के ऊपर तो sunscreen नहीं लगा सकते हो. For that I use this from Shiseido. It's from Sephora. It's quite expensive. It's like 2000 something. But there are many in market now on Nykaa which are very affordable. Like it's like this and just you can top off like this and you should be good. Now I have already applied a sunscreen but no problem, I can apply a layer more. I have a bit of eye का भी issue, उम्र हो रही है, so I like to apply a bit of eye cream as well. Always use this finger, the ring finger, because apparently हम ring finger से सबसे कम pressure लगाते हैं and you shouldn't put pressure on your eyes. So this is just basic Garnier one and nothing fancy. I really like this one. Next step is lips, and for lips I use this Vaseline. Hands down, there is nothing that comes even close to this. And yeah, let me quickly that's it guys, that's it for my skincare. Let me know in the comment section if you have any questions. I will soon be doing my nighttime skincare routine, so stay tuned for that. Apart from that, I'll link all these products in the description box below. These products are quite effective. This has helped me. I have been using all these since a very long time, and trust me, if you have normal to dry skin, even dry skin, these products are bang on for you. However, if you have an oily skin, I will tell you, you still have to follow all the steps as it is, except you can use any cleanser that says it's for combination to oily skin. For example, this Cetaphil, this is for oily skin, so that it takes any extra oil off your skin but not strips your skin out of oil. And the only change that you should do in your skincare is you should use gel moisturizer and a gel SPF, so that your skin do not produces any extra oil. Mind you, even if you have an oily skin, you have to use moisturizers makes your skin, these are the basics of your skin, and you cannot and you should not skip it. That's it for the video guys. Let me know in the comment section if you have any questions, and I'll soon see you again with my nighttime skincare routine. Till then, bye bye, see you in the next video.